So we're going down, 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 so that means we'll have to climb back up on the ice. That's promising. Wow, look at that tree. Woo. And it's still alive. Woohoo! It's ice, 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 ice. Gentle touch of the brakes, corners. And here we're crossing the main trail. And we'll cross into another single track. Ice again, everywhere. No fun. Okay, I'll stop on this trail and turn around. I'm pretty much at the bottom. So we're climbing back to the park on the ice. Icy trails. It's like riding on eggshells. Beautiful forest, old growth, lots of trees down because of the windstorms we've had for a couple of years, a few years now. It's a shame. Everywhere where the trail looks darker, that's ice. So I'm riding on ice right now. I think I'm going to look for studded tires if I keep coming here. This is hard packed snow, so it's climbable. God, I missed my clipless pedals. I wonder if it's possible to get some boots, winter boots with clips. Again on ice. Hi there. Okay, hit the major trail. GoPro stopped recording. So I'm in the major trail here. That's climbing up into the park. And the upcoming section is quite steep. So I might have to walk some of it. One, because it's not much traction on this packed snow. and 2 because I'm probably out of shape a little bit. So here we go. This is about 10 degrees in inclination. Coming soon about 12 degrees. But we're riding into the sun. So I'll cut this off because I'll spare you the heavy breathing, and I'll start again up at top of the hill. This is the bottom of the steep section. We're still climbing. Up ahead of me is probably like 15-degree slope. Not easy. Should get an e-bike, but then the battery would probably freeze since it's -10. Okay, I think I'll stop and walk. Catch you up at the top of the hill. Okay, so we're heading into a single track, slight climb, and hard pack snow, very hard pack. Lots of twisting curves. Bit of ice here and there, but it's not too bad. In the summertime, this is all rocks and roots and fallen trees, so this is pretty smooth. I think this is the best trail so far, my ride. Hi again. Thanks. It's the third time I come across this guy. Some ice patches. You gotta be careful not to brake, not to accelerate, otherwise you lose your balance quickly and wipe out. More ice. Oop. More ice again. This is because of all the rain we got lately, and it froze rapidly after. All the people riding down in Nevada, Arizona, never experienced that fun. They're missing out. Let's go on this one now. Climbing again, a little bit. Ice. More ice. Okay, I'm to the last section of a single track, heading back to the car, and I see it's really, there are icy patches all over I can see, so I'm gonna have to go really careful, go carefully, and see, handle the brakes very lightly, and especially when I'm in the turns. So let's see what happens. With ice, more ice. Really choppy ice, that helps. Oof. That's what I meant. Gotta be real careful. Careful. Lots of turns, icy turns. Oh. Good so far. Okay, I had to do a quick check on the map because I wasn't sure if I was heading the right direction, but I was. So let's keep going. Nice and smooth here, no ice, which is great. Okay, back on the ice a little bit. And be really careful. God, if that was concrete, I mean, we'd go be flying in here. But just can't do that now. Ain't no bad here. Ice. Getting near the end of the trail. God, I wish I was all snow. I'd be so fast. Okay, we'll have to tread carefully in the ice. The slightest bump in the trail throws your wheels right off. And we're on the major trail. So pick up right here. And we're out of the woods. This is one of Fredericton city water tower. So they pump the water from underground and store it in those tanks, and then it's distributed by gravity to the houses down below the hill. And from here I'll be walking because it's just a sheet of ice. So thanks, folks.